I hope you get better soon. I love you so much. When you get better, you can come and sleep in my house. And you can bring your family if you want, if there's more room. And this song's for you. It's very pretty and it's from my drama. I hope you like it. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile in the rising sun. 3 little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you.